Hey dear users. Welcome to the Agile Store Locator plugin tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to decipher how to customize colors in the Agile Store Locator plugin. We'll also see how to add colors on different store locator fields. If you're interested in customizing colors for your store locator, let's get started with the video. To use the Color Customizer tab, go to the ASL settings inside the Agile Store Locator plugin. Once you arrive on the page of ASL settings page, here you see the different tabs. Click on the Customizer tab. Now click on the Color and Fonts button. Select your template. In my case, I'll go with template 0. Here you can clearly see the multiple fields for customization for Store Locator. Now let's give the colors to some of the fields that'll show on the Store Locator page. Also, let us change the action button color to white. Let's save the settings and view the Store Locator page so that we can see different colors on the Store Locator. We have successfully added the colors to some particular fields of the Store Locator. That's all from this Agile Store Locator tutorial. Stay tuned for more educational videos. Until then, goodbye.